Hi, this is Vimal Pradeep, teacher from Rainy Beams Lakewell International CBSE School, Tirupallur. Today I am going to share my views about child abuse.
What is child abuse? Child abuse is any behavior that harms a child whose age is under 18. It can take many forms, including physical, sexual, and emotional torture. Recently in Cochin, cases of child sexual abuse continue to get reported in Ernakulam even during the lockdown. According to sources, Childline has referred 5 cases of child sexual abuse to police since the lockdown. 109 children sexually abused every day in India. According to NCRB data, 32,608 cases were reported in 2017, while 39,827 cases were reported in 2018. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act (POCSO) is an act which was established in 2012 for the protection of children. POCSO shares a view in July 2019 which states that the highest number of child rapes were recorded in Maharashtra with 2,832, followed by Uttar Pradesh with 2023 and Tamil Nadu with 1,457 cases. It includes in India alone, even the boy child is sexually being abused. How to overcome child abuse? Child abuse can happen in any family and in by any neighborhood. Here, parents plays a major role. Parents must educate their child about sexual advances or threats and protect them from abuse through the consent of unacceptable bad touch. This communication must be constant, friendly, and frank, and teach children how to their sexuality works so they don't unknowingly harass others. Teachers and schools plays a major role in this by educating their children to understand the difference between good touch and bad touch. Childline is in India's first and world's largest 24-hour telephonic helpline service that is accessible to anyone calling on 1098. Students can remember this helpline as 1098. It works for children across the country. 6 call centers were organized in big cities such as Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Chennai, and Bangalore. A team member from a field partner of Childline India Foundation rushes to the rescue of the child within an hour and ensures the safety of the child. This service is operated in 366 small cities in which 24 states and union territories have been included. As a teacher, parents, and a good citizen, we must educate every child about child abuse to ensure their safety. Thank you.